burauting for a Lamborghini car. So, today, magbuburaot tayo. Nay, nakuha na ako ni Lord. Ulit. So, today, agburaot na. Buburaot ako para sa Lamborghini. So, first na buburautan natin. Please introduce yourself. Can I buraot for a Lamborghini Brum Brum? And she gave us 5 billion. You see this 5 billion. Can I buraot for a Lamborghini? Introduce yourself. I'm Claire. Claire. So, may 10 billion na tayo, guys. Can I buraot? Can I buraot for my Lamborghini car? Can I? Da lang, ma'am. Can I buraot for a Lamborghini car? Any amount will do. I have 10 billion na. So siya, guys, bibigyan na daw tayo ng pera. Pambili natin ng Lamborghini car. Ikaw ayaw mo? Imot. Then, million years later. 5 pesos. She gave us 5 billion. Oh my God. Oh, she gave us 6 billion. Can I buraot for a Lamborghini, for my Lamborghini Brum Brum? Mano? 5. Alam mo, so, he gave us 10 billion. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Pangalan niyo po? Chaos. Bye-bye. Can I buraot for my Lamborghini Brum Brum? No money? No money? Okay. Sir. Can I buraot? Baby. Can I buraot? No money. Mrs. Can I buraot for my Lamborghini car? No. Next. So, life update. I already have 21 billion. Can I buraot for my Lamborghini car? Ay, liwag. So, can I buraot for my Lamborghini car? Ayaw nila, guys. Hi, ma'am. And let's buraot. Can I buraot you for my Lamborghini Brum Brum?
Ma'am, what is this for?
For your activity. Nagkakalkal na nga ako ng pera. Uy! For my Lamborghini Brum Brum. Please. Thank you for the 1 billion. I already have 22 billion in my hand. Baliw. So, end of buraot. Nahulog. Okay, next. Can I buraot for my Lamborghini Brum Brum? Ayaw na. Can I buraot? Yeah. Oo, dapat yung sa akin. Thank you for the 2 billion, ma'am. So, ang total ko po nakuha ngayon, I have 23 billion for my Lamborghini Brum Brum. Thank you very, very much.